The Defense Ministry is likely to announce private sector companies that will be part of the consortium under the Special Purpose Vehicle (SPV) model that will be in charge to manufacture 5.5 Gen AMCA fighter jets for the Indian Air Force in 2023. Private players will have a majority stake in the newly formed company, so that it does not become a full government entity, while HAL will have a minority stake. The first two AMCA prototypes will be manufactured by the state-owned Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL), after which private sector companies will start assembly under the supervision of the HAL, when the program enters the LSP stage at the HAL facility. Production of the AMCA will later shift to a new upcoming facility that will be located at Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu, Defense Industrial Corridor, where the private sector companies will be the lead integrator for the program. An Indian Air Force C-17 Globemaster transport aircraft delivered one ALH Mk3 for the Mauritius country's police force, which was leased by the Mauritius government from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL) earlier this year in January. C-17 landed at Port Louis, the capital of Mauritius, from a direct flight from Bangalore. The Mauritius government already operates HAL-built ALH and Dornier 228 aircraft. ALH Mk3 is a multi-role, multi-mission versatile helicopter in the 5.5-ton category. Indian drone manufacturer Ideaforge Technology, which has recently bagged orders from the Indian Army for high-altitude switch unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) to be used for surveillance along the line of actual control with China, is now slowly securing orders from foreign markets. According to a senior official from the drone company, it has secured orders from countries such as Nigeria, Oman and Bhutan, among others, and the shipment of some of the orders has already been done, buoyed by demand generated by government departments and security forces, which is increasingly using drones for surveillance and reconnaissance.